Hello guys. Today we are learning how to make a timer in Scratch. Click create, then make a new variable called timer. Then for all sprites, remove the my variable one and say when the green flag is clicked, set the timer to, let's make 20, and then forever it has to wait 1 second, then change timer by 1, and then if the timer is less than 0, then it has to stop the project. And let's just make it like a clicker game. Make a new variable which is score. Now press OK. Then when this sprite clicked, it's gonna be change score by 1, and it's gonna set score to 0. Keep the score here and put it as a large E dot. Now the timer starts, but it got to change by -1. So now this should work. Yes. And if I click this, it's like a clicker game. Uh, okay. Now after it reaches 0, it stops. So that is how we make a timer in Scratch. Bye guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.